Welcome to Brain Vision.
Given the following information for C and the difference in length, we can go ahead and note that given also that transmission coefficient is written as e to the minus 2cl, we can take the ratio, I'm sorry, that should be an L, not a T. We can write the ratio of two values for transmission coefficient as e to the minus 2c delta L. And from the formula for percent change, we can then write that as percent change equals, and I'll just write it down here as T prime minus T, absolute value of that, over T times 100% equals 1 minus e to the minus 2c delta L in parentheses, because now basically this e to the minus 2c delta L is going to be less than 1, so we don't have to worry about an absolute value. And then this will be multiplied by 100%. What I've done is, with the absolute value, one of these quantities, namely t, divided by t is going to be 1. So that is this term. And the other, t prime over t, is equal to e to the minus 2c delta L. So that's this other term. So we established this formula. And now if we plug in our numbers, we can get a numerical result. So we'll have 1 minus e to the minus 2 times, and then we just look at our numbers real quick. They were 10.00 times 0.00200. You put this in times 100%. You do the calculation, and you see that you will get 3.92% for the percent change.